Back to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More. If you've been here before, if you have not, welcome in. Starting back on this, trying to finish up this domino box. And so I ended up putting some tile pieces, mirror tile, along the edges, just to do a little something else to it. So now I'm going to put some UV resin on there and seal this tissue paper, this napkin in, and see what that looks like. So I'm just going to place a little bit at the top and start brushing it down. Just doing a little bit at a time. I have a stiff bristle brush that I use with my resin when I'm painting it on. I'm just going to start out with a thin layer and see how it levels out. And if I need another layer after this cures in the sun, then I'll put another layer on. I'm just taking it directly out of the bottle, squirting it on here, and brushing it down. A little bit more. I'm trying to be careful not to get it on the edges, because I don't want to seal this closed. So that's why I'm using a paintbrush, so I can be precise in how it lays down. Okay, I think that's pretty good coverage. I'm just going to take a torch and get the little tiny bubbles out. Keep it moving. Don't get too close, and don't do this for too long. Okay, and then I see a spot where it's not covered, so let me brush that down. Hit it one more time. Alright, I'm going to take it outside and let the sun do its job. Alright, here's what it's looking like, nice and dry with the one coat. But I think I'm going to put one more coat on here to kind of smooth it out. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see the roughness right there where it's not smooth. So I'm going to add one more coat and take it back outside. Okay, let me do the torch, get the tiny bubbles out, and take it back outside. Have completed this domino box, this custom domino box, and I think it turned out rather cute. So let me show you what I did. I decided not to go around the whole box with the tissue paper to give it a little touch of elegance with the black. And this is what I have come up with. So it has been cured, the resin, and I have the mirror tiles on here. And what I decided to do for a closure is I used UV resin and attached this rope, a silver rope string, I don't know what you want to call it, with a mirror tile, a little bit larger one than these. I did it on both, right there and right here. And then I added these, that's not going to focus, these pretty beads at the end. And so I'll show you how it ties after I show you the inside, which you have seen already. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll place these beautiful dominoes in here, close it up, and show you just how this works. And then I place the card on the bottom. This is the custom domino care card with instructions. Do not leave in extreme heat or direct sunlight. Do not soak in hot water. Hand wash only, mild soap if needed. It says these items are custom made and can contain small imperfections. Each individual domino is handmade and one of a kind. Thank you for your purchase. So I'll place that in the bottom. And then these are the beautiful dominoes. Like I said, she wanted large dominoes, black and white. And I used the black pearlized mica powder and enamel, white enamel for the lines and dots. So, let's do this. Stacks of 4. Side by side. It's going to be a perfect fit. I'll try to remember to put a link to these items that I have purchased off Amazon in my description. Just like that. Just has a little leeway, but they're in there pretty good. And so, close it up because it had that play in it, you know. And just take the strings, the ropes, whatever these are called, tie them, pull it tight, and make a little bow. Look at that. Tell me what you think. What would you do different? And of course, you must brand your items. And I took these felt pads and placed on the bottom on each corner. And I colored them in black. They're supposed to be black. You know, they are cream color. But I did it to match the box with a permanent oil-based marker. What a beautiful, beautiful gift. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Thumbs up would be appreciated. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Toodles, deuces, peace and love. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.